You guys have it for your team.
Casella has been a sponsor of Green Up Vermont for years.
Green Up Vermont is started back in the day to build communities together to get out and clean up the environment.
We had a team of about 20 or so Casella staff.
1, 2, 3, Casella!
And their family and friends that came out, and we chose about 2 miles along the Mad River on Route 100.
We're all from small towns, and taking care of your neighbor, kind of bringing it back to like we're all in this together and bringing the communities together to actually do something and accomplish something. I feel like when you work hand in hand with other people from all walks of life, it really makes everything worthwhile.
I ride bikes, I get out in the community, and nature is super important to me. So we want to keep Vermont green. We want to make sure that we can really enjoy nature without the litter in the way. Finding a lot of recyclable material, actually. So a lot of this material could be making its way into the recycling, which saddens me as a sustainability analyst. Seeing a lot of cardboard, a lot of beer cans, beer bottles.
I think with Casella, yes, we're a waste management company, but we live here. We have over 5,000 employees. It's important for us to be out in the community to show everyone we live here, we care about keeping the landscape beautiful for ourselves and for our children and for generations to come.
This is my second straight day of greening up. We greened up at home office yesterday. We had about 40 employees, I think, out for that, so that was really great.
We have a lot of people here. We have organizations all throughout the state, whether it be drivers, mechanics, dispatchers, salespeople, all different genres of people. So all throughout the state right now, we have different Casella organizations out cleaning up the environment, which is really great to see as well.
So I think it's a testament to the Casella as a company that we all come together for the greater good.
I think that it's really important for us to give back to our communities because our employees live and work in those communities. They're members of the communities, and then making sure our communities know that we're more than just a trash hauler. We're their community members as well. So I think it goes both ways.
It's one of those things that everyone can do, and it doesn't take much. It just takes 2 feet and a bag, and you can go out and actually participate in this volunteer event. So that's what really makes this special.